Ah, you're gone, I'm afraid.
No, please, don't do this.
You should know better.
Yeah, but please don't. I know you. You're my friend. Remember me?
I don't. We maybe. Did I nearly catch you before?
No, you didn't. But the thing is, no, you didn't. But promise me you don't.
What about my kids? Your kids? Here we go. We have a green. You carry on.
Thank you.
Carry
Please
on.
don't do it, please.
I'll think about it. Carry on. You know, it's bad. It's like drinking. You know that. I know you would never drink because.
I know.
And it stays.
I promise you.
I know it seems easy when you're stationary, right?
Yeah, that's right.
But it stays in your mind. Your mind takes a while to recover.
That's right. But I promise you didn't do it. Promise.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Promise me.
I'm not promising anything. Straight through on the red light. That's a very long red light. CN02AAA.